Hi everyone, this is Joseph McPeak with Truebones Motions Animation Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Mecanim animation system inside Unity 4. I've created 3 FBX files to use as walk and run cycles. Just open Unity and drag the FBX files into the Assets folder. Once they're in the Assets folder, click on the first one, go to Rig, put the root node on hips, and then the animation type on humanoid. Hit apply, and do the same with the other two. Root node, animation type, apply. Root node, animation type, apply. Okay, so we're going to start with the first one. Just click on the box, and then click on the Animations tab, and then click the default take of the clip. This is the preview of the animation, and what we want to do is make the loop so it loops right. Here, I'll hit play to show you what it looks like now. It's kind of running off in a circle, and there's a blip. So what we're going to do is use these lights over here to make a perfect run loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the start frame on 4 and the end frame until the lights turn green. Should be frame 30. Okay, so let's take a look at that. And that's pretty good, but there's still a little blip. So I think, okay, all 3 are green. Let's take a look. And there's just the tiniest blip there. So what we want to do is just press loop pose, cycle offset, and then just make that the smallest amount. Okay, so now we have him looping correctly. And what we need to do now is fix his orientation. So right here we want to go body orientation, bake into pose, and hit apply. Okay, so now let's play it. Okay, he's running straight. That's perfect. It zeroed out his orientation. Now we want to go to feet, and then also make sure that IK is on, because one thing to note is I did not render feet tracking in the mocap. So that's a brand new feature of the Mecanim animation system, that it takes care of the feet with an IK solver. So here we have a good running loop, and I'm going to go ahead and bake that. The root transform, I believe, is center of mass. So let's go ahead and hit apply, and then preview. Okay, let's put that on original, hit apply. Okay, so I'm going to hit apply. Okay, that's a really good run loop. And if you bake it into the pose, he'll stay there in the middle. Okay, so this animation's ready. So let's move on to the next one. Again, just click on the take. Take a look at the animation. It's a walking animation. Kind of goofy walk. But we will fix it. And here we go. Just, I think, put it on frame 4 for the beginning. And at the end here, look at the lights until they all turn green. So there we have 3 green lights, and that should be a pretty good walk pose. Okay, so there's the blip, and you take care of the blip with this cycle offset. So there he is walking. Okay, let's take care of the orientation. Bake it into the pose with 0. Hit apply. Okay, he should be walking straight now. Yes. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's do the root transform for the feet. Hit apply. And there we go. That's number 2. He's ready to go. And notice the feet. Okay, number 3 is like a Frankenstein walk. So hit default take and take a look at the preview. Notice how he's walking kind of like a mummy or Frankenstein. Okay, so again, let's fix the loop so the lights are green. Go to the beginning, which looks like frame 10, and it's already all 3 are green, so let's take a look. That won't be right because I know at the end he does all that. So we want to bring this bracket back here, and now hit preview. Okay, so there's just a slight. So what I'm going to do is fix that. I'm going to go right about here. And then hit the loop pose cycle offset. And there we have a good Frankenstein wandering. So now we're going to bake into pose the original root transform rotation. So he'll be wandering straight. Okay, see how he's turning to the left a little bit? Well, we can offset that just a little bit. So just drag this to the left. Put this on feet. Bake into pose. Center of mass. Okay, we'll leave that off. And hit apply. And he should be all set. Okay, so now we can apply a character. So all you have to do is drag a character. I'm going to go into the Truebones avatars folder, and let's bring in Frankenstein. So drag the Frankenstein FBX into the window. And then click on Frankenstein and put his rig on hips. So that'd be right here, hips, and then put it on humanoid. Okay, so now when we click on take 4, it'll apply the settings. Come over here to animations, click iPie default take, and drag Frankie into the window. Okay, so now Frankie's doing that perfect walk cycle we created with Mecanim's new animation system. Okay, same with the other animations. So if we click this one, Frankie will walk just like him. And then the third one, which I believe was run. Okay, that's walk. This is run. Oh, see? Perfect. Okay, folks, so my name's Joe, and I just wanted to show you some of the basics of the Unity Mecanim animation system. It's really, really wonderful stuff. More soon. I like this one the best. It fits his character. Unity. Thanks a lot, folks.